to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy, and yes, I call you boo if you become a part of our family. Anyways, today we have another reaction video, and today we'll be reacting to Pentagon's new song, Naughty Boy. Yeah, let's check it out. I've heard Pentagon's song Chinese, and I freaking love that song. But anyways, let's put play and check this Naughty Boy song out. The voice. Oh! Oh! Okay, green hair. This is so cute. Oh! It's so cute. Was that a Cowboys jersey? Oh, they're so cute. I love this music video. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh, yes! Oh, that was cute. I loved it. I love it. The choreography, like the frogs, like why did I go like this is chicken? This is the frogs. Like it was so cute. The ending where they're like singing it, like oh my gosh, yes, Pentagon. That was the reaction. I really love that song, the music video, the choreography #1. Like it's just so cute and so there. Like I love it. First I was like, wait a minute, frogs? What's going on? But then as the song kept going, like it's so catchy, the beat is popping, everything, the like I said, choreography, the visuals, the freaking everything, like they're so handsome, and their voices, like, yes. So much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this reaction video. If you have any other video you want me to do, or any other reaction video you want me to do, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will check it out and do it as soon as I can. If you have not clicked the subscribe button, go ahead and click it to be a part of this family. If you ended up clicking the subscribe button, go ahead and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you stayed to the very end, I hope you have a great day or night whatever time you're watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Heart 2 for you. Bye.